Saint Felix, Enlightener of East Anglia. March 8th, a missionary bishop from Burgundy, at the request of a Christian king, establishes the church and Christian learning in East Anglia, transforming the kingdom through 17 years of apostolic labor. Saint Felix, a priest who hailed from the Frankish region of Burgundy, carried within his heart a profound desire to bring the gospel of Christ to those parts of England that had not yet received the light of faith. His zeal for missionary work was not born of worldly ambition, but from a spiritual conviction to share the truth of salvation. Around the year 630, compelled by this inner calling, he undertook a journey to Canterbury. There, he presented himself before the holy Archbishop Honorius, expressing his fervent wish to evangelize the Anglo-Saxon lands. Archbishop Honorius, discerning the genuine piety and clear purpose within Felix, recognized him as a vessel fit for this sacred task, and consecrated him as a bishop. This significant mission was initiated not solely by Felix's will, but also at the specific request of King Sigebert of East Anglia. King Sigebert, a Christian sovereign, had himself received the light of faith during his exile in Gaul, and now sought the same blessing for his own kingdom, understanding that the spiritual well-being of his people was paramount. Upon his consecration and the blessing of Archbishop Honorius, Saint Felix traveled to East Anglia. King Sigebert welcomed him with honor and granted him the city of Dunwich, then a thriving coastal settlement, to serve as the seat of his episcopal see. From this established base, Bishop Felix commenced his labor, a mission that would bear abundant fruit for 17 years. The Venerable Bede, a revered chronicler of that age, recorded that Saint Felix delivered all the province of East Anglia from long-standing unrighteousness and unhappiness. This deliverance was not merely political or social, but a profound spiritual transformation, as he led the people from the darkness of ancestral customs and pagan practices to the radiant joy and truth of Christ. He became a true pastor to his flock, guiding them with wisdom and love. His very name, Felix, meaning happy or fortunate, became a living testament to the eternal happiness and good fortune he offered to countless souls through their conversion to the Orthodox faith. The work of Saint Felix extended far beyond the initial acts of preaching and baptizing. He possessed a clear understanding of the need for the Church to be deeply and firmly rooted among the people of East Anglia for generations to come. To ensure the enduring stability and growth of the Christian faith in the region, he undertook the establishment of numerous churches throughout the kingdom. These sacred structures served as vital centers for communal prayer, divine worship, and the administration of the holy mysteries, providing tangible places where the faithful could gather and grow in grace. A particularly foresightful and significant part of his ministry involved the establishment of an educational institution. Saint Felix founded a school specifically for the training of boys, where they would be instructed in classical languages and critically immerse themselves in the study of the Christian scriptures. This institution was meticulously modeled after the well-established schools he had known from Gaul, ensuring a rigorous and comprehensive education. To staff this vital establishment, he wisely brought masters and teachers from Canterbury who possessed both knowledge and piety. This initiative laid a foundational stone for Christian learning and clerical formation in East Anglia, cultivating future generations of priests and leaders. Some historians, recognizing its profound impact and structured approach, regard this school as a precursor to the esteemed University of Cambridge, highlighting its lasting legacy. Through these comprehensive efforts, Saint Felix built not only a spiritual edifice of faith, but also an intellectual and pastoral framework that ensured the continuity and flourishing of the Church in the region. After 17 years of dedicated and fruitful service as bishop, having sown the seeds of faith and nurtured the nascent Church, Saint Felix reposed in the Lord in peace on March 8, 647. He was buried initially at his episcopal see in Dunwich, the city from which he had enlightened the kingdom. In time, his holy relics were translated from Dunwich to the monastery at Soham, a testament to his veneration and the desire to safeguard his sacred remains. Later, when the monastery at Soham faced destruction from devastating Viking raids, His precious relics were moved once more for safekeeping to the venerable abbey at Ramsey. His veneration as a saint commenced immediately after his blessed repose, a spontaneous recognition of his holiness and apostolic labor. He is remembered as a true founding father of English Christianity, an enlightener who, through his steadfast witness, diligent labor, and pastoral care, brought the radiant light of Christ to the East Angles, transforming a land previously shadowed by unrighteousness into a vineyard of the Lord. His legacy endures as a testament to the power of missionary zeal, guided by the Holy Spirit.